Let's see what's happening in Mr. Jodev's family.
No, I won't give you. I have work.
Give!
Go.
Bad! Arvi, come let's play.
Google, please give me answers for these problems.
No, Arav, try yourself. Don't ask Google.
Google is there for me only, Dadi.
In our olden days, we searched in books, not in Google.
Books load slowly, Dadi.
Slowness is not a big problem. If you search in books, you get knowledge. Then we didn't talk to phones, we talked to people.
Without mobile, how did you survive, Dad?
Without mobile, but with brain.
Stop joking, Dadi.
Do you know, Arav, how did the people communicate from one place to another place without mobiles in olden days?
Communication without mobile? It's impossible.
Do you want to see?
Stop joking, Dada.
Okay then, come with me and find out if it's a joke or the truth.
Where should I come, Dada?
Just come with us, dear. Finally, he got it.
Like movies, can it take us to the past?
Yes, dear.
To the past? Really back in time?
Yes, let's get into this.
Dada, where shall we go now?
Around 500 BC.
I'm so excited, Dada. Just move. Dada, look at that bird. It has a paper tied to its leg.
Yes, dear, the bird is carrying a message.
Dad, no signal, only trust.
Yes, Arav, nature was the world's first messenger.
Next, what is our next stop, Dada?
Around 1200 AD.
Dada, what is this and where we are now?
This is King's Palace and we are in royal bedroom. Shh! King is coming. We have to hide ourselves.
Excuse me, my lord. Urgent message from the border. Good news. Inform the people.
Yes, Your Majesty.
He travelled so far just to say this, Dada.
Yes, dear, it's his duty. Loyalty is everything.
So, Dada, one message could change history. Dada, what is our next trip?
It's around 1840.
What is that and what is he doing?
Listen carefully. The sound is carrying a message through electric signals.
Uncle, what are you doing?
I'm sending a message to another city with wires and codes.
Every letter has dots and dashes.
So, no autocorrect, no delete?
Yes, Arav, it will reach within minutes.
So, this is the beginning of fast communication. Dada, what is our next stop?
It's around 1879.
Post! Post!
Uncle, this letter from whom?
From your father, Chitti.
Ma, finally a letter from Dad.
Oh, really?
One paper, so much happiness.
Because it carries love, dear.
What is our next stop, Dada?
Around 1959, where voices turn into pictures in the air.
Dada, then what is that tall iron rod on the roof?
That is an antenna. It catches signals for the TV.
So the TV and the newspaper were the only ways to know the world?
Yes, the newspaper was our morning habit. It taught us to wait and read. Then the computer arrived. It put the newspaper, the radio, and the mail all in one box.
Okay, Dada, let's go to our final stop, the present day. Hey, Google.
Hello, Arav. How can I help you?
Dada, it knows my name.
It learns from you only.
Hey, Google, show me places nearby.
Here are the interesting places near you, Arav.
No waiting for radio, no fixed TV time. Information is always ready. Yes, of course. One voice command and work is done.
Dada, now phones are near, but people are far.
That is why balance is needed in life, Arav.
Hey, Google, remind me to spend with my family.
Best use of technology, dear.
I don't want smart devices. I want a smart family.
Good decision, dear.
Dada, thank you for showing me everything from older era to my era.
Welcome, dear. And what did you learn?
Every invention made life easier, but not every invention made life better.
Well said, Arav. Earlier people waited, so they valued words. Now we get messages instantly, so we forget their value. Then what will we do?
I will use technology, but I won't depend on it.
I will message, but I will also talk.
I will search on Google, but I will also think.
That is true education.
Dada, Dadi must be waiting at home with special dishes for us.